I want to introduce myself in English, but what should I say first? And what should I say next? Let's see in the next episode how we can solve this problem. Don't worry, I'll show you 3 sentences with 3 domino words that make introducing yourself easy, smooth, and natural. You'll never get stuck again. Domino 1. Name. Repeat after me. My name is Tom. Domino 2. Student. Repeat after me. I'm a student. My name is Tom. I'm a student. Domino 3. University. Repeat after me. I study at university. My name is Tom. I'm a student. I study at university. Here is the summary of our domino chain. Name, student, university. Now, let's move the dominoes. My name is Tom. I'm a student. I study at university. Let's take another example. Domino 1. Name. Repeat after me. My name is Mary. Domino 2. Nurse. Repeat after me. I'm a nurse. My name is Mary. I'm a nurse. Domino 3. Hospital. Repeat after me. I work at a hospital. My name is Mary. I'm a nurse. I work at a hospital. Here is the summary of our domino chain. Name, nurse, hospital. Now, let's move the dominoes. My name is Mary. I'm a nurse. I work at a hospital. Now, let's talk about where you come from. Domino 1. From. Repeat after me. I'm from France. Domino 2. Grew up. Repeat after me. I grew up in a small town. I'm from France. I grew up in a small town. Domino 3. Food. Repeat after me. I love French food. I'm from France. I grew up in a small town. I love French food. Here is the summary of our domino chain. From, grew up, food. Now, let's move the dominoes. I'm from France. I grew up in a small town. I love French food. Now, let's talk about what you like. Domino 1. Like. Repeat after me. I like music. Domino 2. Concerts. Repeat after me. I often go to concerts. I like music. I often go to concerts. Domino 3. Playing the guitar. Repeat after me. I also love playing the guitar. I like music. I often go to the concerts. I also love playing the guitar. Here is the summary of our domino chain. Like, concerts, playing the guitar. Now, let's move the dominoes. I like music. I often go to concerts. I also love playing the guitar. Great job! Now it's your turn. Rewrite the sentences using your own information. Write your full domino chain in the comments. I'll check it and help you improve. Don't forget to subscribe for more domino English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.